how you can install CapCut on your Windows PC. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let us begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine. I'm using Google Chrome. So after you open a web browser, just search CapCut. Now, after you search for CapCut, let me just search for CapCut and not the website. So search for CapCut and there you will see the desktop app. Tap on desktop. You can go there using the main app too, but after you do that, just tap on download. The button is right here, and here tap on download and CapCut will start downloading right here, and there you can see your CapCut installer has been downloaded. Now open this up. Now after you open this up, it will just automatically install CapCut and you can use it directly. Now since I already have the CapCut, I'm not gonna install it again, so I'm just gonna cross this. So most of the part is automatic, so you don't need to do anything. It will start downloading itself and you can just use it after the process is complete. So that is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.